Introduction to Habitify Data Export and Backup.
Keeping a backup of your Habitify habit tracking data ensures you never lose your progress. Habitify offers built-in options to export your data, making it easy to save and secure your habits. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to export and back up your Habitify data safely and efficiently.
Finding the export feature in Habitify.
To get started, open the Habitify app on your device. Tap on the Profile tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Then, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find the option dedicated to exporting or backing up your data.
Choosing a data export format.
Habitify lets you export your habit data in CSV file format, which is compatible with spreadsheets and other apps. Select the export option and confirm the format you prefer. The CSV file includes your habit names, completion history, and notes, making it simple to analyze or restore your data later.
Completing the export and saving your data.
After choosing your export format, follow the on-screen prompts to save the file to your device or cloud storage, like Google Drive or iCloud. Make sure to save your file in a secure, easy-to-find location so you can access it whenever needed.
Regular backups for ongoing security.
To ensure the security of your habit data, it's a good idea to export and back it up regularly. Keeping updated backups means you can always restore your progress, even if you switch devices or experience technical issues. Make exporting a routine part of your habit tracking journey.